Are you struggling with toenail fungus and looking for a natural remedy? Vinegar might just be the solution you're searching for. In this video, we'll explore how vinegar can help treat toenail fungus and how you can use it effectively at home. Toenail fungus, or onychomycosis, is a common condition that causes nails to become thick, discolored, and brittle. Vinegar, particularly apple cider vinegar or white vinegar, is a natural antifungal agent that can help combat this stubborn issue. Its acidic properties create an environment that's hostile to fungus, making it difficult for the infection to thrive. So, how do you use vinegar to treat toenail fungus? It's simple. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Mix equal parts of vinegar and warm water in a basin. You can use either apple cider vinegar or white vinegar for this treatment. Step 2. Soak your feet in the solution for 15 to 30 minutes daily. Make sure your toenails are fully submerged to allow the vinegar to work its magic. Step 3. After soaking, thoroughly dry your feet with a clean towel. Fungus thrives in moist environments, so keeping your feet dry is essential. To maximize the effectiveness of this treatment, here are a few additional tips. First, be consistent. This treatment may take several weeks to show results, so don't give up after just a few days. Second, keep your feet clean and dry throughout the day. Change your socks regularly and avoid walking barefoot in public places like pools or gyms. Third, consider applying tea tree oil after each vinegar soak. Tea tree oil has potent antifungal properties and can complement the vinegar treatment. While vinegar is a natural remedy, it's important to take some precautions. If you experience any irritation or your skin becomes overly dry, reduce the frequency of the soaks or dilute the vinegar further. If you have diabetes or any other underlying health condition, consult with a podiatrist before trying this treatment. For those looking for an additional boost to their toenail care routine, consider trying ProNail Complex. This supplement is designed to support nail health from the inside out. You can find the link to learn more in the comments below. Vinegar can be an effective natural remedy for toenail fungus when used consistently and correctly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nail care tips. And remember, healthy nails start with good habits and natural care.